This video will demonstrate additional pattern sequence settings and introduce the concept of saving solutions. So I've got some different pattern sequence settings here. We're going to use 1 bit this time, just 5 patterns, a command trigger instead of automatic, different LED, different exposure time, but the process is the same. I'm going to click the set button to save these settings. Now ordinarily at this point we would have to go upload images again, but I'm going to use the same images as the last pattern in the last video that had 10, and since I have less patterns this time than last time, the GUI remembers those first 5 patterns, and it's going to use the first 5 from the group we uploaded before. So I don't have to upload, I can just go straight over here and click start. Now since I'm using a command trigger, it's not going to automatically play through all the images. I have to hit the next button each time. So if I hit it 5 times, it'll cycle through the whole sequence and then it'll start over. And I can just keep cycling through this way. When I'm done, I can click stop. Now if I want to save these settings, so I don't have to go through and set them all manually again, and also save which images are associated with this sequence, I can save everything all together in one file by going here to the Solution tab, typing in our name, and clicking Save. So this will save all my settings, all my images here in one file, which I can recall anytime by clicking on the name and clicking Load. So this will put all my settings and everything back into the GUI, back into the projector, and I can just go back here and hit Start without having to hit any other buttons and continue through this way. Now if I want to go from here and do another solution, I can go back to this list, pick a different one, and load that. Now for some solutions that have a lot of patterns or more complicated settings, it may take longer to load them, but in the end it will load. And again, you just have to come here and hit start and it'll run. Now this one I just loaded is a play once sequence. This box is checked. And so after it plays once, it'll stop playing and you have to hit stop and then start again to play it again. And you can keep doing this in a cycle.